The reason why I enrolled into this course is that there are tons of courses available online, but unfortunately, there's a big lack in terms of domain knowledge, in terms of industry expertise. And since now being part of working into the service industry for so long, I had the exposure to work for clients across industries, but my main target for now is to be a part of industry itself.
I saw your video on Instagram, which started with the problem solving first approach plus the AI integration, which made me interested again. And now I'm actually ready to restart my journey here. So, yeah, that is why I've joined this place, because I've seen tons and tons of courses online and I've explored a lot, and everybody teaches the same thing. And yours was the first one that focuses on domain knowledge and problem solving.
So when I was going through all these tools, what I lacked into was basically the practical aspect of all the tools. But when I get into any of the courses, I thought that there are a huge batches. So they cannot concentrate on you. Here in Analytical Shiksha, I thought when I got into the personal screening session, that's where I can link my background to this data analytic or what will be there for me if I'm getting enrolled into this course. So that is where I can link here.
So thanks to Instagram scrolling, it helped me to get the Analytics Shiksha webinar. So I found it something attractive than others. I have blocked hundreds of numbers, I guess, from other institute. So that's why I'm here.
Good. So yeah, the program is filled with a lot of practice exercises. So whatever concept we will learn, we have to apply hands-on. Otherwise, it's no point.
For choosing Analytics Shiksha, I've seen a lot of programs out there, but choosing specifically 30 people in a batch and focusing more on problem solving rather than coding and SQL courses is what I like about this Analytics Shiksha program.
Because I strongly believe, coding, you need to know up to an extent, but then AI could help you. But problem solving is something which you need in your day-to-day life. If you're a good problem solver, you can contribute. You'll not go to AI and say, what should I think? What should I do? Etc. etc.
I felt I was in a loop and I'm completely from a non-tech background. One thing I heard from in your webinar was you help with the problem solving, the projects, the life projects. I think that's what hits me then, because I've always seen people doing these in their roles. I feel that this is something unique way of learning.
Previously, I explored business analytics, but I couldn't go deeper into it. Then somehow I stumbled upon your course, that is Analytics Shiksha, and your USP, that is understanding the problem at the very first stage. That has attracted me actually.